This is a rotating vacuum suction phone holder. I am just now getting this in the mail and putting it in my vehicle. So I thought I would not only do this unboxing, but I would show you how I install it. So kind of a start to finish situation. So this is what it looks like when I first open it. It's got this little paper in here that shows you the do's and don'ts for optimal grip, windshields, dashboards, curved panels, limited surface area, textured, flocked surfaces, or fractured surfaces. And then it shows you a mounting guide on the other side here, like this. And so, yeah. And then this is what it comes in. It's actually quite heavy. It feels substantial, which makes it feel like it's actually quality. So you can see this right here and what it looks like. And right here, you can see that it's got the suction cup on this side, and it's got this this on this side that kind of just comes apart like this. So it looks like there's a rotation to lock and unlock it, as you can see here. And so I think from this point, we can go ahead and get it installed. So here it says to clean the flat dash, press down on the suction cup firmly, one circle to achieve firm adsorption, rotate 90 degrees to lock, use it after 30 minutes. So I guess that's what we're going to do. I don't know that you need to. Let's see here. If I unlock it this way, then this is to tighten it. So we'll leave it unlocked like that. And then let's go ahead and decide where it's going to go on the dashboard here. So I've got a napkin here that I'm going to use to wipe it. And you'll have to use all the dust. As you can tell, I have not cleaned this. And so I'm going to set the camera down here. This up and down like that. Let me adjust this a little bit better. And now I'm going to take this and take this little sticky bit off like this. And I think it's supposed to, I don't actually know which direction this is supposed to be put. I guess it doesn't necessarily matter. I mean, maybe it does. Let me take a quick peek here just to make sure I'm doing this right. We have this here. It looks like this part goes in back. So I'm guessing this kind of flips up to hold your phone. So we'll do that, see what happens. So just make sure that this is like that. And I'm actually going to bring it over this way a little bit because one of the things it says is that you can put this in front of your vent to cool your phone. So I'm going to put this here and I'm going to rotate it, and you can bring it down like that. Supposedly, oh, that just came right off. Let's try this again. Hang on. Let's see. Let's try this again. Press firmly and rotate. I'm not going to use it for 30 minutes, but supposedly this is something where you can, I guess, rotate this part and bring it down like this to put it in front of the air conditioner vent. So I think that's what they're talking about. I'm hoping that that stays. We'll find out. But for now, that seems to be the deal. I'm gonna just hold this in place while I rotate it. And yeah, so that is the installation. And yeah, so let's see how it works out, and I will do a follow-up video later to let you know whether or not this was a good purchase.